Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I want to show you how to take off your drone much more easier. Instead of clicking like take off button on your controller, you just need simple starting the motors and just fly off. It's really simple and I use this method pretty much every time, unless I do take off from my hand. But I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's very easy and it's very safe as well. So first of all, I'm gonna demonstrate that on my DJI Mini 3 Pro. You could do that on any DJI drones, even DJI VAA, DJI Air series, DJI Mavics. It should apply the same method. So first of all, we're gonna pitch on my drones and my controller and take it from there. So that's the drone, it's ready to take off. That's it, controller, and I'm gonna make a bit of room on my table just in case. So first of all, just let the drone and the controller connect together, and then after that, you just can take off. All right, so that's all done. Just waiting to connect. Oh, my bad, I haven't switched on the drone. So now wait to connect that. It should connect in a couple of seconds. But I'm using this method every time I fly my drone, just because it's much more easier and much more quicker as well. So here you go, the drone is connected already and pointing to me. Alright, so as I said, instead of clicking take off button, you just start the motors using the joysticks. That's much more easier for me. I do use the take off button only when I take off from my hand, because it's much more easier. So one hand it holds the drone, and then I can press the button, just hold the controller this way and just press the button and it takes off. I do take off using joysticks when the drone is located on the ground or on anywhere on the flat surface, because it's much more easier for me. So first of all, what you need to do is basically put them this way, and you can see the drone is already ready to take off. And you can also just switch off the motors again by doing the same thing. So the stickers will have to go an angle towards the screen. When you switch off the motors, you'll have to hold the joysticks for a couple more seconds. But when you want to take off, you just do that a second and you can see that it's already to take off. And to switch off the motors again, just hold the buttons for a couple of seconds. And that's pretty much what I want to show you in this video. It's really easy to take off. You don't need to press the button. You just start the motors and just fly off. You can save a bit of time as well, and it depends how convenient it is for you. For me personally, it's really convenient because I just want to I'm ready, always ready to take off and just fly the drone and take the footage I want to take. So thanks for watching this short video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. I'm really happy to help, and I'm gonna see you next video. Have a nice one.